GBD fried shrimp po' boy. Crispy, flavorful, and straight up delicious.
This is really good. It's not hard to make. It's super easy. And today we are making a po' boy. What? You said a po' boy? Yes. Not po' boy as it was originally called, but a po' boy. P-O as opposed to P-O-O-R. Boy sandwich. We have our shrimp. We have our liquid batter, which is buttermilk. And we have our dry batter, which is cornmeal with flour and some oregano and some smoked paprika, some cayenne, some thyme, and that is a little bit of parsley. That's what we have in here. And we have our lettuce, because we're going to get that little kick spice. So our refreshers are going to be the lettuce and the tomatoes. Are going to be both our refreshers. This is our shrimp for our shrimp po' boy. We already cleaned it with lemon juice to kind of get rid of the seafood smell. And I just think it's important to just put lemon juice or lime juice or fresh squeezed lemon, lime, sour orange on all meat and poultry and game and seafood to kind of get rid of that fishy seafood smell. Anyway, I'm going to season our shrimp po' boy with some Obey, and I just love this magic seasoning blend, Seafood Magic by Paul Prudhomme, and just some cracked black pepper. So here we go. So our shrimp is all seasoned up, our po' boy shrimp, and like I said, it was created by two brothers, Benny and Clovis Martin, and they created it in 1929 because of the streetcar strike that took place. And so what they did was write the union and told the union that they would give out free meal to the workers who were striking. And the free meal happened to be a po' boy sandwich. What I'm doing here is that I have coated my shrimp in the buttermilk, just plain buttermilk, no added flavor or seasoning. Then I'm going to take my flour and cornmeal with all the nice herbs.
I'm putting our battered shrimp in the hot oil, allowing it to become GBD, and then I'm gonna flip it on the other side and allow the same process to take place for it to be golden brown and delicious. Yum! Here are a list of ingredients.
Look at the beauty of these golden fried shrimps for our po' boy. Now that this is done, we're gonna take care of our sandwich. I've already assembled our other po' boy, so I just want to do this one for you. So this is chipotle mayo. We had warmed up in our pan with a little butter, our French bread, and so now we are smearing our mayo, not just any mayo, chipotle mayo, for our po' boy. Let's get our lettuce going. Okay, we're now gonna put our tomatoes. I say tomatoes, you say tomatoes, right? Right here. And let's get our shrimp, the best part. Look at these colossal, gigantic, jumbo shrimps. Place it right here. I'm gonna make sure our po' boy gets a lot of this shrimp. Knowing, because one thing we don't like is for our food to be jealous of one another. So we give equal love here.
Look at that big po' boy sandwich. Look at that golden fried shrimp that's inside, all fried up. Can't wait. Here's our vitamin content.
Well, here is our po' boy sandwich, and bon appetit. We're gonna try this. Every bite in your mouth is gonna be some nice big chunks of shrimp. So, here we go. This is so well seasoned. Oh my gosh. I taste the smoked paprika. taste the cornmeal that it was coated with. I taste the basil. That's what it is, basil in there. The thyme, the oregano, the cayenne. But even though it has that kick to it, it's not overbearing. It's not overpowering. Even with the chipotle mayo, you have that nice balance with the lettuce that gives you the coolness, and the tomato, it gives you that little quench of thirst of juice. The tomatoes, because it's juicy, kind of really tones down any of the heat that you would feel. This is really good. It's not hard to make. It's super easy. I'm going to tell you this. If you can't get the shrimp, take some chicken breasts, cut it up into cubes, and use the same batter. You'll still get the crunchy effect, and you could have a chicken po' boy. Why not? This is all about recreating, reinventing the wheel, so to speak. Do your own po' boy. No one says you have to do shrimp. This is your world, and people need to fit in it. Loving every bite of this. So here's my call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. Oh my God, this is so good. So beautiful looking. When you click the like button, it lets us know that you're with us and you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you. And it encourages my team and I to continue doing the same. Now, with that, I want you to share. Share with your family and friends this channel. You don't want them being upset at you that you knew about it and didn't tell them, right? So, also subscribe. If you haven't subscribed before, come on, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And hit that bell notification. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.